Are investors too optimistic about rate cuts? Is the stock market's eighth straight weekly win a sign of overconfidence? Good morning, listeners, and welcome to a new episode of Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Cela, here to break down the latest market dynamics. On Tuesday afternoon, U.S. stocks edged higher, with the Dow Jones Industrial Average gaining about 0.5% or nearly 200 points. The Standard & Poor's 500 and the Nasdaq Composite also saw increases, both up around 0.4%. This positive movement puts the markets on track for an impressive eighth consecutive weekly win. Despite Federal Reserve officials trying to temper expectations for an imminent rate cut, investors remain hopeful. Fed officials have emphasized that it's premature to assume the central bank is finished with rate hikes, highlighting that their decisions will continue to be data-driven, and that brings me to a point that I've brought up in previous episodes. Are investors setting the bar so high that anything but a rate cut in Q1 would lead to a big disappointment? I guess we'll find out soon enough. Across the Pacific, the Bank of Japan held firm on its decision to maintain interest rates below zero, signaling no immediate departure from its negative interest rate policy. Yet, U.S. stock markets are maintaining their upward trajectory, suggesting that investors might be looking beyond these cautious indicators. A crucial piece of data in this narrative will be Friday's update on the Personal Consumption Expenditures Price Index, the Fed's preferred measure of inflation. This data will likely influence the ongoing debate about the pace and timing of future rate adjustments. The oil market is also in the spotlight, as companies like BP are avoiding Red Sea transits following recent attacks on shipping. This has prompted a slight increase in oil prices, with West Texas Intermediate trading just below $74 a barrel and Brent crude futures above $79 a barrel. As we navigate through these mixed signals, it's crucial to stay informed and adapt to the changing market landscape. That's all for today's episode of Capital Markets Quickie. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll be back tomorrow with more updates and insights. Have a great day.